The ocean whispers through my heart. Your love's where I start. Every tide and every sound. Your mercy all around. You move like water through my pain. You wash me clean again in every breath I see. You're healing me. You calm the raging sea. Your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine. Forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and wide. You pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. The night is still, the stars align. Your spirit intertwines. Every whisper calls my name. I'll never be the same. You move with rhythm, soft and slow. Through every ebb and flow, my soul begins to rise. To meet your skies, you calm the raging sea. Your peace surrounding me. Your light begins to shine. Forever mine. Waves of grace, soft and wide. You pull me to your side. Every fear fades away in your gentle sway. Waves of grace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in waves of grace. Let your mercy flood the deep, where love and spirit meet. Every tear you washed away with every wave. Your rhythm beats within my chest. Your peace my only rest. Forever I'll embrace your waves of grace. rising, the sky unfolds in shades of gold. Your mercy to behold, every breath a gentle wave. Your love so strong to save. The ocean sings your melody, a timeless symphony. Your spirit in the air, I feel you everywhere. You calm the tides inside, with peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade, in you I'm unafraid. Peaceful rises, wide and free. Your presence covers me, every moment, every side. You lift my soul so high. Peaceful rising, calm and true. My heartbeat belongs to you, forever I will see your peace surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I'm resting in your will. Every heartbeat starts anew, with gratitude for you. Your light reflects across the sea. It draws me close to thee. Every wave your grace unfolds, more precious than gold. You calm the tides inside, with peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade, in you I'm unafraid. Peaceful rising, wide and free. as heavens glow, your love begins to flow. Every heartbeat sings of you in every shade of blue. Your spirit whispers through the breeze, a peace that never leaves. You lift my soul above with everlasting love. You move within the air, your love beyond compare. In every spark I see, you're burning inside me. Hearts alive, glowing free, you shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts alive, calm and pure, your mercy will endure. Forever we will be. Your heart's alive. Let your radiance fill this place, the beauty of your grace. Every tear and fear erased by your embrace. We'll carry love so wide, with you as our guide. Forever we'll ignite your hearts of light. Hearts of light, glowing free, you shine through all I see. You shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure, your mercy will endure. Forever we will be. Your hearts of light. Hearts of light. Hearts of light. Forever bright. Hearts of light. Hearts of Thankful heart, where grace will start. The dawn awakens soft and clear. Your mercy draws me near. Every moment, every sound, your beauty all around. The gentle waves, they sing your praise in endless tender ways. My heart begins to sing. You're all I need to be. You lift me when I fall. You're everything and all. Your presence fills the space. Within this grace, You turn my wrongs to right. Every fear has lost its place. I'm resting in your grace. You paint the sky with shades of peace. Your mercy will not cease. My soul begins to sing. You are my everything. You lift me when I fall. You're everything and all. Your presence fills the space with endless grace. Thankful heart, open wide. Your love will be my guide. Every breath, every start flows from this thankful heart. Thankful heart, calm and true. All I am belongs to you, forever set apart. My thankful heart. Let my life be praise to you in all I say and do. Every sunrise, every tear reminds me you are near. Your peace surrounds my soul. You make my spirit whole. Forever I'll proclaim the glory of your Thankful heart, open wide. Your love will be my guide. Every breath, every start flows from this thankful heart. Thankful heart, calm and true. All I am belongs to you, forever set apart. My thankful heart. Thankful love that never ends, forever you meant. The dawn unfolds, your mercy new. My heart belongs to you. Through every shadow, every pain, your love remains the same. You lift my soul above the tide. Your light, my faithful guide. Every breath and every sound, your grace abounds. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heart beats made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. holy light. Turn my wrongs to right. Every moment shines anew because of you. You hold the stars, you calm the waves. Your mercy freely saves, and in your hands I find peace divine. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. When the world fades away, your love will stay. Through the silence and the fire, you lift me higher. You're the rhythm in my chest, my peace, my rest. Forever you defend love that never ends. Forever you meant love that never ends. Echoes of peace calling to me. The night is soft, the stars are near. Your presence whispers clear. Every wave that meets the shore reminds me I'm yours. You breathe in colors of the sky, where time and love collide. Every moment you restore, I'm whole once more. You move within the sound. Your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows. Forever it grows. Echoes of peace deep Your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows. Forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Your peace like rivers flow wherever I may go. Each breath becomes a prayer. I know you're there. You calm the storm inside. Your love will never hide. Forever you will be peace over me. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Echoes of peace, forever you stay. Echoes of peace. Presence eternal, forever I'm home. In the silence you remain, through the joy and through the pain. Every heartbeat sings your grace. I feel you in this place. The waves are whispering your name. Your peace will never change. Every breath I take tonight, you fill with holy light. You move through every sound. Your glory all around. My soul will always know. Your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sight. You're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy through every sound, your glory all around. My soul will always know your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every side, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. You are the fire within my heart. You set my life apart. Your peace is all I see. You're everything to me. No shadow can remain. Your mercy breaks the chain. Forever you will be my eternity. Presence eternal, wherever you stay. Presence eternal. Sacred moments where you dwell. In quiet waves I hear your sound, where love and peace abound. Every breath becomes a prayer. I know that you are there. The world fades out, I close my eyes. Your spirit fills the sky. Your whispers wrap around my soul and make me whole. You move in light unseen, where heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I remain in sacred moments again. Sacred moments. Sacred moments with you. You breathe through shadows, soft and kind, restoring peace of mind. Each second turns to endless grace when I behold your face. Your spirit glows, your mercy flows. Through every night that grows, I find my rest in you, in all you do. You're moving heaven meets between. In stillness I can see you're here with me. Sacred moments, soft and true. All my heart belongs to you. Every silence sings your name. I'll never be the same. Sacred moments, calm and pure. Your presence will endure. Forever I remain in sacred moments again. Every breath you sanctify, every tear you dry. Your peace surrounds my heart, your rarest star. Let your spirit stay in me every day. Forever I will find your peace divine. Sacred moments. Sacred moments. Forever you stay. Sacred moments. Sacred moments. Sacred moments. Forever you show. In the stillness I can see your light surrounding me. Through every storm, through every tear, your presence keeps me near. You shine through clouds, through endless skies. Your grace will never die. Every breath and quiet flame carries your name. You hold my heart so tight. Through every darkened night, your love will never fade. In you I remain. you've ever said still echoes in my head. You got my feet with tender. You turn my wrongs to right. Your faithfulness won't cease. It brings me peace. You hold my heart so tight through every darkened night. Your love will never fade. In you I'll remain. Faithful, glow, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain. Your peace remains. Faithful, glow, shining through. All my hopes in you. Forever I will know your faithful glow. When I can't see the way, you turn the night to day. Through silence you still speak. Your love's what I seek. Your spirit lights the dark, ignites my sleep.